Welcome to Quick Solution. Today I'm going to show you how to unlike all your liked videos on TikTok. So, if you open the TikTok app and go to your profile icon in the bottom right corner, if you hit this heart-shaped icon, you will see the list of all your TikTok videos that you have liked. So, in order to unlike them, you'll have to hit this icon with the three lines at the top right corner and then go to Settings and Privacy. Right here, if you scroll down, you'll find this section Support and About, and you'll have to select the option Report a Problem. And I'm waiting for the page to load. And then you'll have to select the very first option right here, Account and Profile. And this will lead us to a new page. And right here, you'll have to select Profile Page. And if you scroll down right here, you'll have to select the Other section. Here, where it is asking you, is your problem resolved? Just hit no and then select Need More Help. So on that way, you can contact directly the TikTok and tell the feedback. So right here, you'll have to explain the problem that you have, and you'll have to tell them that you want to unlike your videos on TikTok. You may just as well type in something like, I want to unlike all my videos at once, kindly assist me in doing that. If you think it's necessary to add a photo, you can do that as well, and then hit the submit button. After that, you'll have to wait for them to reply. Basically, that happens within a few days, and they will come back to you with a resolution to that problem of yours. So guys, this is all for today. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.